Hello, today I am going to be showing you 7 tips and tricks for your LG V60 ThinQ. These will all be split into 7 separate videos. Okay, so for my 7th and final tip, I'm going to show you how to determine whether you are in an area if you have 5G or LTE, depending on your cellular service provider. So you will want to pull the menu down from the top, and you'll see at the bottom that I have Sprint, which is as of now a part of T-Mobile since they merged. But this all depends on your carrier. So what I want to do is to turn on data right here. So I tap on that, it'll say data charges may apply, but that just depends on your plan. So I'm going to click on turn on, and then at the top right, it says that I'm in an LTE spot. If you actually are in a 5G area, it will actually say 5G. But as of right now, the area that I'm in, I have a really lousy 5G spot. But once you do have a clear 5G signal, it will tell you. So that about wraps it up for these 7 tips and tricks on using your LG V60 ThinQ. Thank you for subscribing. Please be sure to like this video and check out some of my other videos too.